Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
U MLA ka BJP na pinthor omkra oba alhek habakren chikla pathai kubor uloong bana kalyang jong u ulaya kren bat ki katu katni ki Nongïalam ka BJP na central halor ki scheme ban ai sheki Jaka bapet da ki niam ba pher ban kintiu ya kini ki Jaka niam kum ki Jaka jungokai perthai lingba ka Swadesh darshan scheme ulapan syai ba ya kani ka scheme minta kitip kum ka PRASAD scheme uba hek ulay thu ba utrang banyo i baga Jaka kum ka seng khasi seng kami kale niam be den klam na kabenta ka Jingmut yaki pa riu nget nyam tri kila ban Pynitynnad shu uloong baula dep ban terwa sheki Nongïalam ka central ha ka baydey bat ka Jingmani ka balang Presbyterian hapo nong Saudia halor jong kani uba hek ulay thu baga seng ka kwa ban Pynitynnad knang banwan ra shu ya karoi kapar lingba ka PRASAD scheme da ka babenrap baya ki Jingmani ka balang Catholic ru ladadon kinu ki ba ibit ban Pynitynnad knang ban kring ya ki nongwan jungokai bat kani kanwan ra ya karoi kapar uba hek uloong ba kin saya shong bat ya kren ban penbiang ya ki kot kisla bat ban pha shaki Nongïalam ka seng sha central.
So at the same time, he is also one of the spokesperson of the BJP and one of the oldest BJP Karyakata BJP workers of the state of Meghalaya. So I had a discussion with some central leader of the BJP. He have told me there is some scheme which is they can develop the religious site like the Swadesh Darshan. Today this is known as the PRASAD scheme. So I have discussed with my party Karyakata and our state leader, with the president in the morning and also with all the BJP leaders in Meghalaya. We said that we want to develop the Sengasi Sengkami, one of the religious sites which is very, very need of the hour to develop that site, and also the club at Jaka Hills. This for the benefits of that Niam tree for Jaka Hills, for benefits of the Jaintia people of the Jaintia district. And also I have also proposed this to my central leader regarding the first Christian church in Meghalaya, maybe in the northeast, is the Presbyterian church at Long Saulia, Sora. So we want also to do the beautifications and development of that kind of, from that Swadesh Darshan scheme or the PRASAD scheme. And also the Catholic Church, they have so many places. So whatever it is the best for the church, which one we want to develop for the pilgrimage, and also for the religious site. It will not only for religious site, it will be attract the tourists coming from all over the country and also from the outside the country. And also, I have already discussed with the headman of Mausanram area. He's a assistant headman. Also, I told him also if we can develop the Mao Jimbin, the popularly known as the Shivling Cave at Mausanram. That also is, I told them that he said that he have to sit with all the headman committee, the executive committee of the Varshnam, before we take it out of the scheme. But I told them very clearly to him that is not BJP scheme, that is not the government scheme, purely belong to the Shnong scheme only. So anytime the central leader, they told me to give some suggestion on these few important places on the religious side, to develop religious side, both for the Darshan, Swadesh Darshan, and also for the development of the pilgrimage site. Only discussion we had yesterday to send this proposal to the government of India. Last time when I went for the Viking dance at Shad Viking there, we have discussed about this. They want also to develop that ground. So that ground, I know what kind of development they want, but that's why I have brought it to this topic, topic today, that at least they'll come to their knowledge also. If they are also interested, we can sit down, send the proposal, a properly official proposal to the government of India for this development of these sites.
Approximately how?
Now it is just discussing only to send the suggestion for this kind of scheme for the development of the state of Meghalaya.
Bahag,
This is not directly from the party. We'll ask their proposal. We will send this proposal, their proposal, to the government of India. We will help them to assist them to send this proposal to the government of India.
Whether this proposal, whatever.
Good point you have asked me, but they told me to give the suggestion. So now we will just first send the suggestion to the government of the central government, and we'll ask them. He has to go through the state government, or directly it can be sanctioned from the central government.